In this video, I will show you how to convert Excel data into an image step by step. As you can see, this is our data sheet. We will convert it into an image. Select the data you want to convert. Go to the Home tab and click on the copy icon. Next, click the paste drop down. Go to other paste option and choose picture. And as like that, your data is now converted into an image. You can move it, resize it and use it anywhere. Now let's save it. Just right click on the image and click save as picture. Choose the format PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Click save. Your Excel data is now saved as an image. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips.